Excuse me, sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for this opportunity to getting interview for your company.
All right. Welcome, salam. Yeah. Also, let's go. How are you? You good?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you too?
I'm good too. So, can we just start the interview?
Sure. I hope it started now.
All right. Can you explain me how the process that you follow when analyzing a large data set?
Okay, analyzing a large data set. First thing, I assess the data quality, checking for my any missing values on inconsidered. Like when I perform data cleaning and transformation tasks to ensure the data is ready to analyze for my team. Like I identify the specific questions and select appropriate techniques to statically analyzing this data. Once I have the analyze the data, so I have to meaningful to get the insight, the exactly insight what is this gonna have a result. I think that is the important thing analyzing data.
All right. That's a good idea to analyzing the large data set.
Yeah.
And then, how do you ensure the accuracy and reliability of your data analysis?
Accuracy for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of data analysis is very crucial thing. Like to archive this data, I employ several strategies. Like the first, I validate the quality to across the referencing I with doing work and multiple resource and considering the data transparency. And finally, I seek feedback from college and major subject matters to explain the validate the result and assumption during this data analysis.
Okay, can you provide an example of a challenging data analysis project that you already work on, and how did you approach it?
Sure. One challenging data analysis project I work on involve analyzing customer churn to telecom company. Like to approach this project, I began to thoroughly understanding the company's customer data, including usage pattern and demographic. Then I applied statistical techniques to identify key factors contributing to charm. I also doing this visualization to get a better communication to get of audience insight of every stakeholders. That's overall this project required combination of analytical skills, domain knowledge, and effective communication.
How do you handle situations where data is incomplete or missing?
Incomplete or missing data. Incomplete is a challenge for data analyticals. To handle this, I employ various techniques. Like the first, I assist extend patterns of missing data. If the data missing is random or minimal, I may use imputation or cut the data to fill the gaps. Like, however, I'm missing the data of significance. I carefully evaluate the impacts of many kind of stakeholder and consider about the limitation by missing this data and get to more better communication for any stakeholders to finding what we missing. Thank you.
Okay, and how do you communicate your data analysis findings to non-technical stakeholders?
Okay, communication. Getting communication is so much complex than we think. Like we have to make others people understanding what we're doing, what we're talking about, what we have doing done for our work on. Like I have focusing the presenting to get insight clearly and concise manner, like using visualization, as long as I doing the charts or graphics or infographics to get analytics, getting better to know that the one of methods to get all the audience understanding. And additionally I just doing my presentation a specific audience, like highlight what the most exactly reason and relevant the insight, providing a recommendation of actionable. The next, I also encourage and discussion about the mutual understanding and foster engagement with my all stakeholders or audience. That's the reason I doing this interview.
Right.
too.
Okay. So far, I like how the way you solve the problem for your
Thank you,
project.
sir. Thank
And
you.
then hopefully we can work together at this company.
Okay,
And
thank you for this
Thank you for
opportunity. I hope this is my last interview for my career, and I just hopefully, I can get the work on your company.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi